In front of me is Samsung Galaxy A27, and today I would like to show you how you can connect it to printer. Firstly, launch Settings and tap on Connections. Then scroll to choose More Connection Settings, and when you're ready, hit Printing over here. Now tap on this switcher next to Default Print Service to activate it, or select any other one. Don't worry, they all turn on the same way. When you're ready, click on yours on the left and wait. Your device is looking for a printer, and when it finds one, it will connect to it. Now, if you wanna, you can always tap on those three dots at the top right corner and hit Add Printer. This way, you can choose this switcher next to Wi-Fi Direct Printing to activate it, or choose Add Printer by IP address, import it here and select Add to connect manually. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!